Buy some mature done-ripe bananas, which are eaten as veggies, also known as plantain. Wash the banana with the skin in clean water properly. Now boil it, preferably in a pressure cooker, and give it at least one whistle, or two. After boiling, take out the bananas, and let it cool down to room temperature. To prepare a banana peel dish, some other items are required like onion, ginger, green chili, or anything one like to add, like coriander leaves, garlic, etc. Now peel off the banana skin, and keep it in a bowl. Now crush, and mix the banana peel with the onion, ginger, and green chili, using a mixer grinder. Banana peel dish is ready for your family members or guest, and will excite your guest due to its exotic taste and flavors. Serve it with rice, roti, or whatever dish you want. Actually, this is a favorite village dish. The health benefits of banana peels are: it is one of the best foods which promote healthy bowel movement and relieve constipation due to its rich source of soluble and insoluble fiber. The most common remedy used as folk medicines by the poor people to get relief from fever is a banana peel. Just peel a ripe banana and put on the forehead for 20 to 30 minutes to get relief from headache. Many people suffer from headache due to potassium deficiency, and banana peels works much faster than a paracetamol tablet. Believe it, it works much faster and better than pills. This video is for information purpose only and does not constitute any kind of medical advice.